Alright, language explorers, so let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So, story, story, and story. Story and story. So, story, the height of something. The height. Yeah, I think it is 5 stories high. The building will be 10 stories high. We wanted an office more than 3 stories high. Why didn't they build it 20 stories high? We think that 19 stories is not enough. Not enough. Sometimes there are waves that are more than 50 stories high. Waves. Yeah, the waves. Oops, let's change that. The wave. Yeah, look at that. Very good. Yeah, wave. Okay. So, story, however, is telling a tale. Yeah, so I like to write stories. Yeah, these stories were written by me. I've got more stories to write. This is a good story book. This is a good story book. Yeah, this is a good story book. How cool is that? I want to write stories. These stories need to be 10,000 words. I have a lot of stories to read. There are countless stories in the world. But some stories are more famous than others. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, story, the height of something, and story, telling a tale. How cool is that? So, can you use these words in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.